Today we're making 2-ingredient queso, the perfect dish to take to any party. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is get out a medium-sized saucepan. Next you're going to need deli sliced white American cheese. Make sure it's good quality white American cheese and not like the pre-packaged, pre-sliced, individually wrapped stuff, because that stuff doesn't work nearly as well. Next, take the cheese, tear it into pieces, and put it in the pot. This helps it melt a lot easier. Next, you're going to want to add heavy whipping cream. Add it to the pot. These are the only 2 ingredients that you'll need. Then you want to grab a wooden spoon and stir it often as it melts. Do not stray far from this queso. We don't want it to burn, even though it's on medium-low. Just every couple seconds, give it a good stir until it's fully melted. For the good part. That's good. Anything better than queso? We definitely double dip at this house.